Hi everyone, welcome to the Namlish Way, and I'm back again with a new video today in which I'm going to discuss a few vocabulary words which are actually coming in our way or which we are coming across quite frequently these days. We are going to talk about this serious topic. We are talking about smog today. If I remember correctly, when I was growing up in my childhood, I never got to hear about smog. But now, from few years, it is there. It has in fact become the sixth season every year, year after year, during the time of October to November. It starts and it stays for quite some time. Now, smog, if you are someone who stays in Delhi NCR, then you definitely know the plight of a Delhiite. How difficult it is for us to breathe in this polluted air. So, first, we are going to talk about this word smog. Where has this word come from? Where has this originated from? Smog is the fusion of smoke and fog. Smoke and fog is something which we all know. Smoke is the grey, black or white mixture of gas and carbon which is produced when we burn something. When something is burned, we get to see smoke. We all know what smoke is.
Smoke is a visible suspension of carbon or other particles in air, typically one emitted from a burning substance.
Now, if I talk about fog, what is fog? As soon as the winter arrives, we get to see fog, and we've always seen it from childhood. Now, fog is the thick cloud of tiny water droplets that are suspended in the atmosphere very close or near to the Earth's surface. We have all seen fog.
Fog is a thick cloud of tiny water droplets suspended in the atmosphere at or near the Earth's surface, which obscures or restricts visibility.
And the foggy mornings are something which are beautiful to see during the winter season. So now, fog and smoke we know. Now, what exactly is smog? Now, smog is the hazy mixture of smoke and sulfur dioxide which is produced by burning of large amount of coal. And that is what happens during this time. There is a lot of burning of stubble in the fields, in the farms, and also it is the Diwali season, so we cannot refrain ourselves from burning crackers. Many of us still do that on Diwali. Plus, already we are overpopulated and overpolluted. Delhi is like that. Too many people, so there is a lot of traffic. That is why in Delhi we get to see this smog.
Smog is fog or haze intensified by smoke or other atmospheric pollutants.
If you have noticed, I use the word hazy. What is haze? It is another word for it, or you can say it is one of the synonym. Haze is the slight obstruction of the lower atmosphere. It's a thin mist.
Haze is a slight obscuration of the lower atmosphere, typically caused by fine suspended particles.
Now another word pops up, mist. What is mist?
Mist is a cloud of tiny water droplets suspended in the atmosphere at or near the Earth's surface that limits visibility.
Like if I say dew, do you know what dew is? Tiny drops of water that forms on cool surfaces at night when the atmospheric vapor condenses. Dew is those tiny droplets which we have always seen on the windows of our car, and we used to write names on them, if you remember.
Dew is formed with tiny drops of water that form on cool surfaces at night when atmospheric vapor condenses.
Now, if I'm talking about all these mist, dew, then I cannot miss out on hail. What is hail? Pellets of frozen rain which fall in showers from cloud. Hailstorm, the rain where you get to see those small balls of ice. It is the hail.
Hail is formed by pellets of frozen rain which fall in showers from cumulonimbus clouds.
Now there's one more word which is related to hail. It is sleet. Have you heard of sleet? Sleet is the partly melted falling snow, or you can say the rain that is partly frozen. Now, the difference between hail and sleet is that hail generally occurs during summers, and sleet is something which is part of the winter season. It happens in winter. In the cold countries, people get to see sleet as well.
Sleet is a rain containing some ice as when snow melts as it falls.
So, these were all the atmospheric conditions that I have talked about today. I hope I have been able to bring in something new into your memory, and I'll come up with more such vocabulary and more such videos. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.